Welcome to Highways TV. This is Vijay Kumar. HDPE pipes plays an important role in our day-to-day life and in global infrastructure development. You do not even know even the supply line of water, electricity, internet in your homes is usually connected through HDPE pipes. In this era of increasing urbanization, the demand for HDPE pipes has been enhanced not only in India but all over the world. One of the significant advantages of utilizing HDPE pipes is that they are 6 to 8 times lighter than cast iron and galvanized iron pipes. HDPE pipes can be easily molded and welded together because of its high chemical resistance property. In addition, they are non-corrosive in nature, which makes them an ideal choice for many applications. HDPE is made under controlled conditions by applying intense heat to petroleum. Godavari Polymers adopt more advanced procedure to manufacture HDPE products to meet the requirements, which are part of water management techniques, constantly redefining quality standards and focusing on surpassing of the same. Godavari Polymers have increased production capacity with advanced manufacturing facility to 11,000 metric tons. The Indian HDPE pipe market size for FTTX industry was valued at $99.9 billion in 2018 and is expected to reach $233.5 million by 2026. The increase in demand for electricity in India has enforced players operating in the power sector to expand energy generation infrastructure, which correspondingly surges the demand for HDPE pipes or ducts. In addition, the Government of India has aimed to manage the supply-demand gap as there is a continuous increase in demand for electricity from the industrial sector of India. Furthermore, India is also committed to clean energy and reduce carbon emissions. The target is to increase production to 175 gigawatt by 2022 as HDPE is significantly used in transmission systems of power plants significantly in renewable energy plants. The global high-density polyethylene market was valued at $70.7 billion in 2020. Global HDPE production is projected to reach 53.62 million metric tons by 2025. According to Transparency Market Research, the global HDPE market will be worth $84.79 billion in 2023. Based on product type, the HDPE micro duct segment is anticipated to grow at the fastest rate. High-density polyethylene micro ducts are used in the communication industry, telecom, cable, broadband, Wi-Fi, command and control for pipelines, and intelligent transportation systems. On the basis of industry vertical, the telecommunication industry is expected to gain the highest market share. The demand for high-density polyethylene in India stood at 2,501 KTPA in 2018. And is projected to grow at a CAGR of 7.68% during 2019 to 2030 to reach 6,064 KTPA by 2030. By 2022, it is expected that the global production volume of HDPE resin will increase to approximately 67 metric tons. Godavari Polymers has the capability to lead the HDPE market in the times to come, with companies established quality assurance system supports and ensures highest quality in the industry. Godavari products are stringently checked at each stage of production as well as post-production process. Godavari Polymers Private Limited infrastructure plays an important role to meet the exact requirements and standards of the industry.